Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Beeos hair. This is a package. This is the same package I received last time. I got the wig. I got 2 of these clips. I also got a extra elastic band, and I got a wig cap. These lashes, I love how full they are. Yeah. So those are what I got along with the wig. As I said before, this is a 360 wig that we're working with today, and this is actually a HD lace wig, 360 lace front wig to be specific. It's real HD lace, guys. It looks so good, and I'm happy I could get my hands on this today to just show you. The construction is beautiful. It had an extra elastic band inside of the cap, adjustable straps in the back. The curls of the hair look really nice. The texture feel good and everything. It's 24 inches long, 180% in density. It does sound a lot, but it was really lightweight, and I love that. And it looked so full, so that was really nice. As you can see, the lace, it is pre-plucked, and it's really nice and thin. You know, that nice thin lace that you know is gonna melt down and give you like a real scalp look. So I love that. As you see, I slipped the wig on and applied it, and I was just so excited because I knew from the moment I laid my hand on this wig that I would do a glue install with it. Them lace here, you forget them at their, like, them already so nice and flat and thin. You just want them for just camouflage with your skin. You just want it to look super seamless and very much like it's coming from your scalp. So I went ahead and I actually did 2 layers of my glue today. I wanted to wear this for the weekend, so I wanted it to be really nice and laid. And you could go ahead and check out me wearing this wig on my vlog channel. It was so pretty. Everybody loved it. As I said, lace is just super beautiful, so I enjoyed wearing it. As you can see, I applied that, and once the glue is tacky and clear, I apply the lace to it and blow dry it to the area. And oh, by the way, I know I always mention this, but just to remind you, you want to make sure that before you apply your glue that your skin is clean, no residue is there or anything. So once I apply the glue right across the front there, I make sure to just press it in nice, and I blow dry it as you saw in the previous clip. And that's how we're looking. As I can say, with HD lace, it's a nicer lace to work with than a regular lace. It's way thinner, it's easier to be undetectable. It's really nice. It's like, nice is not even the word, but it's easier to work with. It gives a more realistic look, and it's just a 10. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm just working on my edges. I did like my regular swoops. Swoops are really all I do these days. I don't do like the full-on baby hair look anymore. I realize I must be in the mood to go like super extra, you know what I mean? But these days I just do my little 2 swoops at the front and the sideburns. That's all I really do, and I love it. I actually love it. Sometimes, as you know, if I'm not in the mood, I just do a complete full pull back and just rock it out like that. But yeah, this is what I did today. And as I went along, I was just thinking about how I wanted to style it. So as I mentioned before, you guys know this is a 360 wig, so you could definitely feel free to go ahead and put it up in a bun as well. Okay, but for right here, I was just working on my edges.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
So once I was done with the edges and stuff, I got my wax stick and I decided that I wanted to do a pullback. I didn't want to do any parting, you know. It was either I was gonna do a full-on updo or a half up, half down, and my heart was telling me to do a half up, half down, so that's what I did. And I was just using my hot comb to lay everything towards the back and have it looking really nice and flat, because that's a must. And as you can see, I just put up everything there because I wanted to apply my elastic band. You want to ensure that, you know, the front of the lace is well secured when, you know, you're gonna do a very nice, secure, pull tight updo. I wanted to get my my ponytail really tight, not tight but really flat. I didn't want to do it too messy and loose, so I use my elastic band to just help to hold down the lace in the front. It's glue, but you know, it's freshly installed, so you don't want to, you know, you don't want to risk lifting it, because remember, after applying glue, it can take up to 24 hours for the glue to fully dry down properly, you know. That's without getting the area wet and whatever. You guys know the drill. So I basically went ahead and started to do that little ponytail. As I said, you can feel free to go ahead and do a bun with this, because it is a 360. I was just like in awe. It's just so gorgeous. You saw my little yeah, I was super happy about it. You saw my little, you know, curls I did with the swoop in the front. Really pretty, and it was very minimalistic. So here I just pull it up once again to show you guys how it would come off if you were supposed to do a full-on like updo. I'm all done with this wig. It is so nice. This is the look I want to maintain with it. That nice big fluffy look. It's not a lot of hair. I'm getting minimal shedding, so you guys know for sure I am getting shedding, so bear that in mind. But it is so neat. What lace, what lace, what lace, what lace. It is gorgeous. Beeos hair. It's a 10. It is a 10. I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig down below in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. As I didn't apply anything to the hair itself, this is where it reaches me, and it looks good. You know, it's not overly full, it's not heavy at all, it's very, very lightweight, very lightweight. And as I said, you could go ahead and feel free to put this up in a ponytail because it is a 360, so you could do that. So for the weekend, I'm just gonna rock this out in this half up, half down. It's really cute. And this lace, the lace is giving, okay? It's giving. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let